there's that wind again. That's the beauty of being near the lake, is there's just almost always a breeze. So there's a couple of playgrounds over there. I think one is attached to the school, but one is part of the HOA itself. We're near an elementary school. This is the Grand Peninsula Community Center. It's where a huge pool is. There's like all these other neat little sections. You have a coffee bar here. They do like almost daily activities. The workout center with free weights is actually here. As you can see right now, it's decorated for Mardi Gras, I believe. So it's just one of those really cool community things. I've always been a huge fan of this neighborhood, and this is just more evidence that it's just beautiful, just a really awesome community. So not only is that house, you know, the one on 2711 Water's Edge, just amazing, but the community itself is incredible. There's a little place to put your bike if you were to ride your bike here. I'm gonna go around to the pool side. Well, I thought I was, but yeah, we'll walk around it, it's fine. So here in the back. You've got grills back here that you can use. Right now they're covered, but it's like a whole external, just like cooking area and kitchen area. I'll cut the video, I'll come back here in a second.